Rich people don't believe they're rich. They know it. They don't have to affirm it. They don't have to convince themselves. They don't even have to think about it. It's just data in them, a deep, unshakable certainty, no doubt. Now, whether they're happy or not, healthy or sick, is a different issue. But when it comes to wealth, they simply know. So let me ask you, are you rich? If you say, no, I'm not rich, what are you basing that on? Your bank account? Your job? The number of digits on a screen? So let me ask you something even simpler. Let's get to the root of the matter. Are you? Yes, I am. The only thing you truly know is I am. Everything else, poor, rich, struggling, thriving, thought, feeling, is just a costume. It's just a label added to it. And here's the real challenge. Most people are stuck believing what their senses are telling them. They check their bank account, they see the numbers, they see the lack, and they let the past dictate their future. But what if I told you, your senses are lying to you? Most people think they're broke because they check their bank account. I can see the numbers. The numbers don't lie. My senses are telling me I don't have money. But here's the joke you're playing on yourself. Your senses are always showing you the past. By the time you see money, or the lack of it, it's old data. It's like trying to drive forward while staring at the rear view mirror. Your bank account is just a snapshot of your past decisions. It's last week's paycheck, it's last month's habits, it's last year's mindset. And here's where most people go wrong. They believe the echo and they reinforce it. Look, my reality proves I don't have money. So essentially, they're manifesting the past over and over again. Reality is not showing you the truth. It's showing you what you have previously declared as I am. So do you want to keep recycling the past, or do you want to generate something new? Do you want to keep replaying the memory or living in that memory? Or do you want to let go of that data? It really is that simple. Your subconscious mind is a quantum computer running on one program, I am. So whatever you add after I am becomes your reality. I'm struggling. You see struggle. I'm wealthy. You will experience wealth. Not because some invisible genie grants your wish, but because your subconscious is just a data processing machine. So think of it like an algorithm or coding. So have you ever noticed if you search for how to make money online once, suddenly your entire YouTube feed is filled with money-making videos? Your subconscious works the same way. Every day you wake up and say, I'm struggling. And your inner algorithm says, struggle, got it. I'm going to show you more of that. But if you dare to wake up and say, I'm wealthy, your old programming may resist. But so what? It's an illusion. It's a past. It's a costume. And if you give meaning to the past other than it is over, then you're stuck in this self-reinforcing loop. So knowing you are the I am is the game changer. At first, your old programming may resist. But if you persist and you keep rooting in I am, your reality must shift. Because your job is not to check your bank account. Your job is to be the I am, to be the algorithm, and be that which you are experiencing in your reality. If you trust only your senses, you will always live in yesterday's reality. But if you trust your knowing, your I am, you will create consciously. Let me put it this way. You've been taught and conditioned and programmed to believe what you see. But have you considered that you only see what you internally believe? A poor man sees obstacles. A rich man sees opportunities. A struggler sees bills. A wealthy person sees money flowing. Same world, different data. So the shift is this. You must generate your own sense of reality. Stop waiting for money to prove itself to you. Start knowing it's already yours. Stop reacting to the past. Start acting from the future you choose. Manifest from the I am. That's the only thing you truly know. And from that place of certainty, you create. So this is a complete shift in your identity. Start affirming what you want to experience or have a costume in this reality. Affirm, money flows easily and naturally to me because I am the I am. I always have more than enough. I am a magnet for wealth, not because you're trying to believe it, but because you know I am. Also, create the feeling. Enhance the experience of inner wealth. The part of you that is the subconscious only responds to feeling. So close your eyes right now. How does it feel to already be financially free? How does it feel to buy what you want without checking the price? How does it feel knowing money is always flowing? Live in the vibration. Establish yourself as the I am. And once you're satisfied with it and fully at peace with that feeling of inner wealth, let it go. Move like you already have it. Rich people don't check their bank accounts in fear. They don't hesitate before ordering at a restaurant. So start carrying yourself as if you already have it. It is done. It is accomplished. Pray as if you've already received it. So tell me again, are you poor or are you the I am? Because the truth is, you're first and foremost I am. And whatever you declare after your I am is what you wish to experience in this reality. Your senses, ignore them. Because you know you are the I am. So what do you declare yourself to be? Let yourself feel that shift completely. Comment below. I'm wealthy. I am. Seek ye the kingdom of God first, and everything else will be added unto you. You are the kingdom of God. You are the I am. You are everything because it all exists within you.